In this tutorial, we're designing a clean product showcase using Frame Mask. Start with a document sized for web or print output. Product design requires clarity and balance. Create frames where each product will be displayed. Frames help maintain equal sizing and visual consistency. Drag product images into each frame. Photoshop fits them cleanly without distortion. Adjust the image inside the frame to highlight key product details. This ensures focus stays on the product, not the layout. Use consistent spacing between frames. Even spacing creates a premium professional feel. If product images change later, replace them instantly without